Hey everybody, it's Jeffrey here at FlexArm. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Ergonomic Problem Solving Series. So what we had was a reorder. Customer had ordered two S36s in the past, and they were having a lot of issues with a lot of cylinders wearing out really quickly and the ball screws not working really well. Well, the problem was they had way too much weight on the end of it. So what we did is we reevaluated the project. We looked at an R&R 20, but here is the problem. The rear angle that they have on the R&R 20 versus the S36, well that served a problem because the height of the arm was way too tall. So what we did was we customized our R&R 20, we took that angle off, put it inside of our bearing base, and then from there we gave it the max cylinder option here on the front end of it. You can see the difference between the standard and our max cylinder option. And we also customized the front plates as well, so that way the customer could take their end effector that they've been using for years and it worked well, but they were able to put it inside of our arm here with just a minor modification. Give us a call this week to solve your problem. 1-800-837-2503.